Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. And our today's topic, word problems 5. This is lecture number 38. Okay, let us start our class. At first I am reading the question. You are told to listen the question carefully. First question, mathematics class of school starts at 8:30 and breaks after 40 minutes. At what time does the mathematics class break? Here class starts at 30 after 8 and its break after 40 minutes. So for finding out the breaking times, we have to add 40 minutes with this time. For adding, we have to make two columns. One columns for hour and another one columns for minutes. Hour and another for minutes. Here the class starts at 8:30. That means in the place of hour 8 will come and in the place of minutes 30 will come. Now after 40 minutes class break. That means in the place of minutes 40 will come and in the place of hours 0 will come. Now we have to add. Here 30 plus 40 is equal to, you know that 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 and 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 and this is equal to, we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we can take 60 minutes from this place and we can send these 60 minutes in this place, and when 60 minutes will come here we have to convert it into hour and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we have to add 1 hour with 8 hours, then it will be 9 hours. 9, and since here we have transfer 60 minutes from this place, so only 10 minutes will remain. So here it will be 10. That means 9 hours 10 minutes. So here the question was, what time does the mathematics class break? The class, therefore the class breaks. The class breaks at 10 after 9 and answer will be 10 after 9. Okay, we have finished it was K number word problems. We have finished K number. Now we will solve L number word problems. Here the question is, one day rain started at 9:20 in the morning. The rain stopped at 12:45 at noon. How long did it rain? The rain started at 20 after 9 and it stopped 45 after 12. So for finding out the time, we have to subtract this time from this time. And for subtracting, we have to create two columns, one column for hour and another one column for minutes. Hour, minutes. Here the rain stopped at 12:45. That means in the place of hour we have to write 12, and in the place of minutes we have to write 45. The rain started at 9:20. So in the place of hour we have to write 9, and in the place of minutes we have to write 20. Now we can subtract. Here 20. We have to subtract 20 from 45. Here 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, it rained 3 hours and 25 minutes. 3 hours and 25 minutes. Answer: 3 hours and 25 minutes. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.